I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Step 2 play food. So this is great for your kids. They want to put on a whole play feast, maybe in their kitchen, maybe if you just want to show them different kinds of foods. Maybe talk about healthy eating. We've got corn, we've got healthy things, we've got unhealthy things as well, so they could differentiate. Got some ice cream, and there's some French fries, but we also have some corn and lemons and peppers, and it's a great thing just to learn colors, to learn the names of different kinds of food. And you actually get over 100 pieces of play food in this set, so that's quite a lot. Definitely enough to keep them occupied for a long time, and it's a good quality of construction on these. Here's some play bacon, for example. Definitely nice vibrant colors, nice design to it. It's obvious what each of these items is, and allows your kid to put on a nice play feast, maybe cook you a pretend breakfast, have some extra things to add to their play kitchen, or maybe make the equivalent of a meal that you like to make, but out of their pretend food. So definitely good quality, definitely really a lot of fun, a lot of variety, a lot of different options for teaching about different kinds of foods. This is a really great set.